Good afternoon, my friends, from very rainy and cold South Africa. I want to make a video again of this Volkswagen. I checked this morning on my channel and I made 4 years ago, I worked on four-part videos of this car that I repaired. It was totally in a bad shape as far as electrics is concerned and mechanically, but the body is in a fantastic condition. So I would take it out today to see if it still works. But let's look at all the features that it have. Okay, firstly, it have a sunroof that can open. Okay, and then it got aerial that you can pull out. Let me just get it out here. It got the aerial that can go out, and then it got front lights that light up. And I replaced, this was totally, both of the globes was broken. So I replaced it with Christmas tree globes at the time. And what it also got is an opening hood. And then when we switch it on, there's a light that will also come on, supposed to. And then the engine turn, and you can even see the pistons going up and down. Okay, we will test it now. And then it got this motor at the bottom that it run. This is a driving wheels. This is floating in the air, and this is also just turning. So this worked like, you can see the two driving wheels turn in opposite directions. It's like a car's diff. So in a flat surface it run forward, and when it bump against something, this start to turn, and then it make the car reverse and go in another direction forward. So we will test everything and see if it still works, as well as the switch was also broken. But what is interesting is the body is, or the chassis is negatively ground, and everything that works just run from the positive side. Even the lights have only the original lights have only one point where what you put on your positive, and the body on the rest of the globe that make contact with the body. But now I had to bring another wire in from the negative because of the Christmas lights that have a positive and negative. Okay, let us put some batteries in. Okay, and I just want to show you, when I got it many years ago, it missed the front wheel, and I made this one myself from a airplane, radio control airplane tire. So you can see it's not exactly the same, but it was not too bad attempt. Okay, I'll bring you back after I put batteries in. Okay, and you take 3 torch batteries, so we can close it up. Okay, let's try and start it like this. And this is a Japanese little car from the between 1950 and 1960. Bandai is the make. So let's switch it on. And you will hear a specific noise that is a there's a camshaft inside that run from the motor back to this engine at the back that turn everything there, and around here is a little cam that touch a blade that make a tick tick sound, so you will hear it. Let's switch it on. Let's see at the back. You can see the engine turn. Let me just bring you back better. There's the lights. Okay guys, I will just show you when it run on a rough surface like this, which gives this motor some friction, that mechanism, it will stand and go forward and backwards, forwards and backwards, because you see it as an obstruction. So let me switch it on so that you can see. And there's the rear light. Okay guys, I hope you like it. You see the action, but on a flat surface it will just run until it bumps something, but you've seen the action because this table is not, there's some material underneath, and he'd see that as an obstruction and he reverse and go the other way and so on. So this is the whole action, and it doesn't run on full power currently because I had 2 fresh batteries, that's all, and I took one fairly flat battery out of my Weber, the motor of my Weber, and so with a fresh battery there it will run quite fast. Okay my friends, I just want to see if it still runs, and I see this morning on the video that I checked on the 4 series, there's 2 very old subscribers, 3 actually that looked, and it is Lloyd from Rusty Glove Box, and Vernon from Surrey Old Timer also checked that time, and also Dave from the UK with his incredible series, tractors, trucks, and all the videos that start with incredible, Dave. And also I've seen Mr. Dan O'Connor at the time commented, from the old guys, that is still today on my channel. So guys, I hope you like the video, and I thought I will take it out today, because when I see the video on my channel, I've searched a little bit on the old videos, and I come upon this one, and I thought, let me take it out, because I think I never showed on that 4-part series that I repaired the lights. I said there I would like to do it one day, and I've done it, and so you could see it works now. So it's fully operational, and apart from the tire that I made myself, it's 100% complete and functional, and looks actually very good. And I've also seen it is worth a lot of money today. In South African rand, it sells anything between 4,000 and 5,000 rand in this condition. Okay, my friends, see you on the next one. Bye bye.